How to link and manage bills in Credit Karma. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. You can manage your finances effectively by using Credit Karma's money tools such as online checking, online savings, and credit builder. These features help you monitor your spending, savings, and credit building activities, which indirectly supports managing your bills. You can also use the free credit monitoring and credit history features under the credit score section to keep an eye on your credit accounts and spot any missed or late payments that might affect your credit score. For direct bill management, consider using auto budgeting or bill tracking apps alongside Credit Karma to set payment reminders and track due dates. Now you know how to use Credit Karma to support your bill management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.